Hello mga madam, good morning! Another day, another kitchen series. So for today's video guys, magluluto ako ng Bicol Express. So isa ito sa mga niluto ko noon na nagustuhan ni hubby nung nag-visit siya sa Philippines. Ayan, so makikita nyo guys, nilalagay ko yung pork sa pan. Inuuna ko yung may mga fats guys, kasi yung kinuha ng asawa kong pork meat is pork chop siya. So, konti lang yung fats niya. So, masarap sana kung madami-dami, 'di ba? So, pero okay na 'yan, guys. So, ayan, parang ipapag-brown ko lang siya, guys. Tapos ilalagay ko na yung mga garlic, onion natin mamaya. So, ayan, hindi ko nga na-videoan, guys, kasi napuno yung cellphone ko. So, ayan, nilagay ko na yung coconut, yung shrimp paste, or yung bagong sa atin, guys. And then, lalagay din ako ng chili flakes mamaya. Wala akong nilagay na ibang vegetables, guys, kasi nakalimutan namin kumuha nung nagpunta kami sa store. So, ayan na lang. Magpapasalamat na lang talaga ako kasi yung asawa ko hindi maarte sa pagkain kahit merong shrimp paste. Ayan, gustong-gusto niya. Try it, Vlog.
Like boiling now. You put it super high?
Yeah.
You don't know? Trying to make it spicy. Looks good. Looks like curry. Like pork curry.
Try it.
Is it real spicy?
I want it super spicy.
It smells good. It smells like Thai. Like this is like a Thai thing.
It's not even spicy when I tried it.
It's creamy.
I used just one.
Oh, cheese on.
Oh, what's missing?
I could taste the shrimp paste.
It's not that salty, the shrimp paste. I put already 3 tablespoons.
That's good.
Oh.
If you get a chili flake, that's when it's like a little bit spicy, but no, it's not even that. Makes it spicy.
So, yan lang muna guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aming video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us, and even share. Bye!